Hi viewers, now we are going to see about C programming explanation. In this session, I am going to explain how we can find the biggest among three numbers and then how we can print the multiplication table of a given number. First, we are going to see about find the biggest among three numbers. So for that, I have included system library file and then main function. Inside the main function, I am going to declare three local variables. These local variables are nothing about to get the three inputs from the user. I have declared three variables by using double data type, and then I am going to get the input from the user. I am going to display the output function. I am going to enter the three numbers using printf output function. The user will enter the input through keyboard. I am going to get using scanf input function. So here I used double data type so that I have used format operator LF, %LF for each variables. So I have declared three variables so that I have used three format operators, and then I am going to store the values of that variable using ampersand of n1, ampersand of n2, ampersand of n3. And then I am going to compare three elements using logical AND operator. Here I have used logical operator, logical AND to check two conditions. Here I have given n1 is greater than or equal to n2 and n1 is greater than or equal to n3. If the condition become true, the n1 is the largest number. So I am going to check first the n1 with n2 and then n1 with the n3. If both the condition will become true, if condition will become true, so n1 become the largest number. So I am going to display using printf percentage and then 0.2 LF. This 0.2 indicating I am going to display the output in double format with after the point 2 decimal will be displayed. For that 0.2 will indicating after the fractional point 2 decimal will be displayed. So here if the condition will become true means n1 is the largest. Otherwise, we have to check one more condition in else part. If the n1 is greater than or equal to n3, if the condition will become true, we are going to display n2 is the largest. Otherwise, else n3 is the largest number. So this is the program to find biggest among three numbers. So here we have used simple logic only. First, we have to check n1 with n2 and then n1 with n3. If both the condition will become true, then only this if condition will become true because we have used logical AND. Both the condition will become true only, we can get the true using logical AND. So the n1 will become largest number than the n2 and n3. So if the n1 is not largest means we have to check one more condition n2 with n3. If the n2 is largest than the n3, the n2 will be displayed. Otherwise, n3 will be displayed. So this is how we can find biggest among three numbers. Next, we have to close the program. And then next we are going to see about how we can print multiplication table of a given number. So for that I have used simple logic only. Here I have included header files and then inside the main function I have declared two local variables n and I. The n which is used to get the input from the user, I which is used for loop. And then I am going to get the input from the user using scanf. Scanf %d and then ampersand n. And then I am going to use for loop to print multiplication table of a given number. Here I am going to display the multiplication table from 1 to 10 only. So here what is the logic to print the multiplication table is nothing about. I am here going to use n into I logic. That's it. So here printf %d and then %d. So here in corresponding format operator I am going to display n and I. So it will become n and I equal to n into I. So this is the logic to get print multiplication table of a given number. Then I closed for loop and then I am going to close the main function. Now I will explain how this logic will work. So here we have given for an example n equal to 10. So 10 means at the first loop I is equal to 1. Here it will display 10. 10 into 1 because n is the 10 and then I will become 1 for the first loop. So 10 into 1, 10 will display. And then I will go for increment. So I will become 2. 10 into 2, 20. So like that it will increment until 10. Because we have given I less than or equal to 10. So it will display 10th table until 10 elements. After that the I will go for 11. 11 is not less than or equal to 10. The condition will become fail and then it will return 0 and then here the program will be ended. So this is how we can print the multiplication table of a given number. Suppose if you are giving here n is equal to 5 means the output will become 5 into 1 equal to 5 will come. So like that. So based on the given number we are going to display the multiplication table. Thank you for watching our videos.